Ever dream of owning a jetpack as a kid? Your dream is about to come true, but with an underwater twist to it. I'm the CyberGuy, here to bring you the latest tech trends. You can follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter with that little red button. Presenting the CudaJet, the underwater jetpack that's about to redefine aquatic adventures. This backpack-style gadget brings the thrill of speed and the joy of exploration together. At only 28 pounds, the CudaJet is a compact powerhouse. Dual jet drive, padded harness, and a hardwired remote all promise an unmatched underwater experience. Charge it up for 75 minutes and you get 40 minutes of pure oceanic bliss. The CudaJet can dive up to 130 feet deep with a thrust of 88 pounds, reaching top speeds of around 7 miles per hour. That's faster than Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps. Now, if you're concerned about fitting into it, fear not. The harness comes in different sizes and is easy to wear. But be prepared to shell out a hefty 18 grand for your very own underwater jetpack. Imagine the adventure: coral reefs, dolphin dives, underwater chases with your buds, preferably not a shark. The CudaJet symbolizes a new wave in underwater exploration. The ocean's depths are within your reach, ready for you to explore. Would you splurge on this? For the latest in tech, follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.